Welcome back to K-Cell Effects. In this video, we will be discussing how to repair an eyeball. Now, sometimes eyeballs get bubbles, like this one right here. After I clear coated it, there was a bubble on the top surface. So now, we got to get rid of it. First, I have to clean out the surface. Since I was sanding it, I got stuff, debris in the bubble. So pretty much I have 99% alcohol. Just wiping it over with a Q-tip, making sure it's all out of that surface. After I get it nice and clean, I will be using super glue. If it's a small little area where the bubble is, it's easy to repair it with super glue. But if it's a huge bubble, you're gonna want to grind that out and use the resin of the outer clear you use to repair it. Since super glue can't be in a large mass because it will just create bubbles. Since it's just a small little pinhole, I just use super glue. As you can see, I'm using an airbrush needle. I don't use this airbrush needle no more. It was from my one junk airbrush that decided to die on me. It just wasn't spraying well anymore, and after cleaning out, it just doesn't work. So I have a spare needle. So I'm just checking, making sure that I got it pretty level out. You're gonna want to keep going back and forth. As you can see, I still have bubbles to repair. I am trying to get this one little micro bubble out of the crater So I just keep moving around the needle, trying to get that little, tiny little bubble out of there. Because we'll have to repeat the process all over again. And I don't want to go through that. So, just double making sure I got everything. But you can see the little bubbles are going away. So now it's starting to look good. Now we are going to want to wait for the super glue to dry. Now if you're using resin, you have to wait overnight. So now I'm going to start sanding the eye. I usually like to put my eyeballs on the drill since it's more easier to spin it and sand it at the same time. Now I'm starting out with 400 grit. I'm wet sanding it. And I'll go for 600 next, 1,000, and 1,500. But I keep checking, making sure that bubble is going away. And it does take time sometimes to get it all level out. As you can see, I'm still using the 400, trying to get that little bubble out. Finally, I got that little bubble out on the top surface. So I can go on with sanding. I'm starting with my 600 now. Now I'm curious if you guys want to see different eyeball videos in the future. Leave a comment down below which one you want me to paint or to create just for fun. A big eye, a small eye, whatever. I am open for the challenge and I'm excited to start this YouTube channel. But you can see it's starting to look really good. So after I finish sanding the eyeball, I use a little bit of alcohol to wipe over the eye to make sure if it's okay. If I got all that little bubbles out, and so far it's looking good. So there's my little preview of the eyeball. Now if it's acrylic, don't use alcohol, use mono. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a like and comment, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.